Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both sides. In Zapier, create a new Zap and authenticate Google. Make sure to grant editor access. Once done, open your Google Sheet, add a precise header row and freeze it so Zapier maps fields reliably. Then return to Zapier and trigger a test event. Confirm sample data appears. This first active loop verifies credentials and column matching, which prevents mapping errors downstream and saves you time when building actions. Once your trigger is passing data, add a Google Sheets action like create row or update row and map each trigger field to the exact sheet column. Make sure to use Formatter by Zapier when you need to convert dates, strip characters, or format numbers. This keeps data consistent. Also, add filters or paths to handle branching logic, and include a unique ID or lookup step to avoid duplicates. These middle steps are where reliability and data integrity are established. Now test the full Zap end-to-end. Run sample data through every step and inspect the Google Sheet for correct rows, formats, and no duplicates. Once satisfied, turn the Zap on and monitor task history for the first 24-48 hours. Enable alerts when errors exceed a threshold. If something breaks, first rerun the failed sample, then check header spelling, reauthorize Google credentials, and tweak formatter or lookup logic. This fix sequence resolves the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.